TE Connectivity is passionate about creating a safer, sustainable, productive, and connected future. For our like-minded industrial customers, we are a premier partner, providing a large product offering and an extraordinary customer experience at every touch point. Our partners depend on TE's leadership and insight to make a difference in their enterprise. To create a positive impact, we are especially focused on driving value around 4 key trends: industrial automation, urbanization, digitalization, and safety and sustainability. With the widest connectivity portfolio and the deepest technology expertise in semiconductor machinery, TE is strongly positioned to be a strategic, trusted technology partner. We are focused on deep integration with our key customers, including both global and local support from design to production and engineer-to-engineer collaboration. We have aligned all our departments to the opportunity in semiconductor machinery. We'll continue to invest in our existing portfolio, as well as next-generation technologies to ensure we bring the best solutions in connectivity, sensors, switches, relays, and terminal blocks to market. Partnering with TE gives your semiconductor machinery major competitive advantages, including less risk. TE has significant electromechanical and safety experience with deep understanding of communication protocols. 100% compliance. TE is engaged with standardization committees for new industry communication standards. Consistent, reliable quality throughout the system. TE provides integrated solutions for power, signal, and data. And 100% confidence. TE innovation delivers stronger, smarter, safer connections. With the unmatched breadth of our portfolio and our product's reputation for reliability in harsh environments, you can trust TE Connectivity to be your one-stop shop for semiconductor machinery solutions.